this is Saline here. How are you? I know it's been a long time. It's been like a month or so that I haven't made a video. Between the holidays and my mom coming, as you can see this beautiful thing. That's my mom. Say hi.
Hi.
She came from Puerto Rico to visit us for Christmas, and it was a lot of fun. We had such a great time, right, Mom?
Yes.
So I'm happy that she came. That's why, guys, I haven't made a video, and I'm so sorry. But this is a valid reason why I didn't. So I was like, why don't we just do a video together so I can do your makeup, you know? I love doing makeup. You guys know I do. So she leaves tomorrow. So, you know, I'm kind of sad. But it's not a goodbye. It's a see you later.
Yes. Yeah.
Exactamente. So, I don't know what look I'm going to do. I'm just going to just grab colors and just put it on. So, my setup is kind of small, so that's why I'm kind of like, oh, there's not enough space, but we'll make it work. Yeah, so make sure you like the video. Any comments, leave down below, and subscribe. You know, if you don't subscribe, you will not see any of my videos, and I want you to. So yeah, let's get started. Guys, I would add all the products that I use down below so that you know which products I use. So she actually packed her foundation. She uses Milani. I don't know which shade, but because she packed it, I'm just going to use mine. Hopefully it's the same shade. I think it is. It'll be fine. I use Born This Way. You know, I've always used this one. This is warm beige. So we'll see how it plays out. Alright guys, so again, she's using my shade, so I'm just using my stuff for her, and it might not be her shade, but I'm trying my best because she doesn't have any of this stuff. So we'll work it out. We'll make the best that we can. That feels good. I know. That's right. So I'm using Huda Benefit. It's not the same, you know, when you do your makeup, you know your face, but it's different with somebody else. So, you know, this is a learning curve for everyone here. I try to teach her when she goes to Puerto Rico, and if she goes to events, she's like, how am I going to do my makeup? And I just try to tell her, you know. I try to show her. So it's all a learning curve over here. cannot touch. More than that, her eyes, like she will start watering, and I tried putting eye contacts. It was a fail. Fake eyelashes, you can't. It'll mess up the whole thing because it'll start watering like a waterfall. No lie. So I'm not even gonna try that. I'm gonna try to put mascara, right, Mom? Would you allow me?
Okay.
I'm gonna try. So I know it's a lot better than doing anything else because it's impossible. So let's put some mascara. Look at that beautiful, beautiful lady. What do you think, Mom?
Beautiful. I like it. Thank you. So what do you think, guys?
That's my mama. That's my mama. She hot right here. So guys, thank you so much for watching. My mom is leaving us tomorrow. But like I said, it's a see you later, right? Not a goodbye. I had a lot of fun. And yeah, just leave any comments, you know, suggestions. And of course, you know, like I said, subscribe so that you can so that you can go ahead and see videos. I'll promise to upload more videos. You know, I just had to dedicate myself to my mother, of course. So yeah. Bye. Beautiful. Woo.